Gonna say hey, Si. Alright, y'all. So we're in Lowe's today. Hope you guys are doing great. And actually, I didn't realize, y'all, these stores, Black Friday sales are so confusing. I knew it was coming up, but it actually already started. I don't remember what day, but it ends on the 16th. I'm gonna need this for interior designs classes later. I already got one though, but this is a good price. I don't like these because I be afraid to go snap back and cut your hand. I'm gonna need one of these, but I have one, but it's not a.
Because these are going to snap back.
That's a good price. Everybody must come in here and bought one, because that's the only one left. Jason be like, look at this stuff. Uh-oh. Oh, is this the one we got? This one got a light. It's got a laser on it. I have to come back and get that one day. It's got a laser on it. Because they were saying that was good too for interior design to have the laser pointers and stuff. I forgot why. But are they like real tools? They mini tools.
I actually kind of want this for Christmas.
What you about to fix?
Pretend I'm fixing something.
You can. Oh no, you can't pretend to fix something. Cause that's a real screwdriver. I mean, a real hammer. What are you talking about hitting on about? Oh, it ain't nothing in there. It's just a box and the stuff on the outside. What is this? Oh yeah, I was gonna get that for y'all to You gotta ask your daddy. Don't you want the house, Saya? The barn or the bird house? They got the monster truck. You can pick out two that you like.
This.
But not today though. But
This and this.
the game in there, you don't want to build a house? Look, those are the ones you can pick. They got a barn. What's that? 2 bird feeders.
Yeah,
I don't think I want the bird feeders. Though I like to see the birds, but the birds might accidentally come in the house. Utility strap. What is that? A mount? $99. Typical seller wall plate. They got coats over here. Tracy. Alright, y'all. So we're supposed to look at the ranges today.
What is this?
A little lawnmower.
Bacon.
I don't know what that is, y'all. You gonna get you one?
Yeah.
Oh, it's 2 different ones. It's a cup mount and it's a windshield mount. You need a windshield. Oh no, that's a windshield mount. You might need a dash mount. No, you need a windshield mount. He's talking about he need to get out of here, y'all. So I think he tempted to get some. And trying to save money. Alright, y'all, so we were just over here looking at this kitchen here. We're waiting for someone to help us with the ranges. Ooh. Make sure. Okay, guys, I totally forgot to turn the camera back on. So this is actually the stove, the range at home the day that it was installed. And if you've been on the channel a long time, sis waited a long time for this. I waited patiently on my husband. And so here it goes, and she works like a beauty. I mean, she works so nicely. Haven't used the air fryer function on it. I may do another video. I think I'll talk about it, but I love it. It's a Frigidaire, and it's also a convection oven as well. So super excited for my new. All right, hopefuls. So I decided to share this footage with you guys. This is actually a home that I wanted to go look at. So Jason was like, well, what you want to do today? He was like, come on. So I try not to pressure my husband with too many different things, especially things like this. As being a homeowner, I know the responsibility of being a homeowner, some of the sacrifices that you have to do instead of what you really want to do. And also, by us being in our 40s, 41, 42, we do realize, eventually we want to, my husband wants to retire. So just because you can, or maybe in the future, purchase a home, doesn't necessarily mean that you have to, because you want to do other things, you want to live. So, but this, y'all, this home is so perfect. It has everything. It's 5 bedrooms. I can't remember how many square foot, but it has a bedroom downstairs. And I know I'm kind of going fast, y'all, because I wanted to take it in, but I wanted to get some footage to look at later for myself. It has a double stove. It has 4 full bathrooms, if I'm not mistaken. That's a lot of bathrooms, but my mom was like, you already have 3, but you don't think about it like that because it's 2.5. It has a screen-in porch, y'all. It has a office in the front. It has a 3-car garage so Jason can have his, what's it called, y'all? His workout stuff, but actually he can make it, he can have it in one of these rooms. It has a loft. It has a sitting area in the room. The closet is larger in the master. We have 2 separate closets. So Jason's closet will be like the size of my closet that I have now. You see this pantry here, y'all. It is like so nice. So to fit all of my gadgets, all of my entertainment stuff. And y'all know I got a prepper pantry, even though it's dwindling. Fit all my stuff. Is a mud area right here. I mean, just perfect. So I saved this floor plan to, like, who knows, I may be able to design, build one day. Also, my husband also told me that it's okay to dream. Sometimes this home that we're in now was our dream home. We never thought. Y'all see this island? You can see the sink, everything that I want. It has another dining room and an eating kitchen. So when you go up the stairs here is a loft area. And I apologize, y'all, for going so fast, but I was trying to get some clips to look at it later, and then maybe if I show you guys, and then mainly for myself to look at it later. I mean, there's so much room in this house, and my husband was like, it's okay to dream. It's okay to dream, because sometimes, you don't want to put that added pressure on your spouse, especially if they are they're the sole breadwinner. And plus, I know all the sacrifices of being in the home we're in now for 12 years. But, yeah, y'all. So you just have to consider all those different things. We would like to not necessarily be in a neighborhood because the HOA, stuff we have learned. And then also maybe more space between the houses and stuff, even though this is a larger house, so you have more space. But I love the shower. I love it has the seat here. This is, I think, is the largest closet, or is this the smallest closet? I can't remember right now. I think it's the largest one. And then it has like I like how the sinks are separated, and I didn't show the other closet, but it has a seating area to the left, and this is the master, so I absolutely love it, y'all. I think that's the other closet there. And someone made a mess on the floor, y'all. It was like mud on the floor, so I guess it was like some kids in there or whatever. I can't remember the square footage to save my life, what this was, but I know we calculated that. And the houses are a lot more expensive when we first got our house 12 years ago. And, I feel bad for, people that have rent and stuff now. It's just so high. My son was talking about his rent and the interest rate. This is the game room. Yeah, this is the theater room, game room, y'all. I mean, it has like everything. I would like a little bit more architectural detail, but by the time I finish interior design class, I can do all those things. The laundry room is upstairs, and it has a sink, and it also has the cabinetry in here too. Just perfect already. But calculating the house payment on this, no ma'am, we don't want that. Even if I don't know. I don't know, y'all, but you never know. Have that faith. And this is absolutely everything that, that was on my wish list that I could think of in this home that we're currently in and maybe in the future. So I just wanted really to share this, y'all, that it's okay to dream. And my mom and I, we used to go around, we used to go look inside houses and go look at cars and stuff like that. And now we don't do that. And we look back on doing those things and so glad that we did it because God blessed us with something that we never thought we could imagine. And also this house has enough space that my mom could even stay with us, or even if Catrell, my oldest, was going to come back. So y'all, thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.